Hello teacher and students, my name is Luis David Guevara Mora. Continue treating what will the future hold for you. A continue Bogota City. Current approximate population. According to the last census conducted by TAN, it was established that in Bogota there is a population of 7,181,569. Urban area, square kilometer. The urban area is 1,775 square kilometer. Cadastral sector, of which 988 are neighborhoods, 118 are city walls, and 56 mixed sectors distributed in 20 locations. Average climate. Bogota has a climate between 8 and 22 degrees. Current situation of education. Bogota has 2,242 education institutions and 386 district college, 10 special regimen college, 1,846 private schools, 80 universities between public and private. Current situational natural resources. Bogota have 254 bodies of water and wetland ecological parks. Rio Bogota, River San Francisco, River Salitre, River Sumapaz, River Fucha, River Torca, Rio Tunjuelo. And green areas. Teusaquillo is the town of Bogota that has more green areas. Is your city town grown fast? Is there construction trend at their new shopping malls? As effects of urbanization, socioeconomic problems such as poverty, underemployment, insecurity, impoverishment of the fields, problem of distribution and organization of space, and environmental problems are generated. Current culture and entertainment situation in your city, Bogota. Bogota has neighbor parks, amusement park, sport venues, museum, theaters, and many art and culture events. Your personal perception of security in your city. In recent months, there has been a growth in crime affecting the security of the Bogotans. your personal perception of immigration in your city. According to the internal conflict in Venezuela, many people have to leave their country and come to live in Colombia, affecting the security, health, employment, education, and stability of the country. Thank you, teacher and students. Bye.